National Weather Service in Tucson has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Pima County in southeastern Arizona until 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 4 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Tucson and is nearly stationary. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Tucson, Davis-Munson Air Force Base, Casas Missile Base, Drexel Heights, Flowing Wells, Mesa Verde, South Tucson, Sabino Canyon Recreation Area, Catalina Foothills, Tucson International Airport, Summit, Tucson Estates, Saguaro National Park East, Rita Ranch and San Javier Mission. This includes the following highways: Interstate 10 between mile markers 252 and 271. Interstate 19 between mile markers 56 and 63. Route 77 between mile markers 70 and 73. Route 86 between mile markers 166 and 171. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time for the following counties: Northeast Pima, Arizona,